Hi everyone, this is Jennifer, and here go another piece I'm going to show you. This is an acrylic painting on a white canvas, and this is actually for a contest winner. So the colors he chose was white and black and gray. And of course, I'm going to also add silver spray paint to this one just to give it a pop. And I actually like how it turned out, although it was kind of like a little rough, but here we go. So I just decided to add white and black as my negative space, but then I go in with some more black paint, also with gray. And then I'm going to swipe over with Australia Floetrol, and Australia Floetrol is what creates the sails for me. So we're just going to keep watching here. I kind of had to go back because it didn't show up. So I was kind of having a hard time here. So just a couple more swipes. And again, this main color is just, it's just white, black with silver or gray with a little silver spray paint in it. That's what we were going for. So I kind of didn't like how it was turning out. And then as you can see, I will go back in to get the swipes that I needed. And again, this is for a contest winner. So I have a raffle that people can participate in when they come down to the studio. And this is one of the contest winners painting. So very excited about this one. As you can see, I was trying to pop the air bubbles in this painting. And then here I just drizzle some of the silver spray paint. And then I'm going to go back through and try to swipe some of them just to give it, just so it can blend into the painting as well. I kind of should have did this in the beginning before I started swiping, but I think I kind of forgot. But once you see me stretch it too, you will see how the design actually turns out, which is really pretty. I think he's going to be happy with this painting. I'm just adding a little bit more paint so when I get ready to stretch, I have enough paint that's going to go across so it'll fall off the edges as well. So just a little bit of black and more white added. Now I'm going to begin to pop the air bubbles again, and then I will start to tilt to stretch it. It's quite a bit of paint, but it's fine. I like this part of painting is when you stretch it, because you can kind of guide it to how you want it to, flow. But I love this one so much. I actually went back and did two more small ones and a set of coasters to match it as well. Because sometimes people like to have a set. And if it's me and it's going in my house, I want a set. So I think this turned out really nice. It's definitely different. It's not going to be in anybody else's home or office space. These are definitely one of a kind paintings. But again, this is just was just black, white with silver. And I added the spray paint to give it a little bit of pop. And this is how it turned out for my contest winner. And thank y'all for watching.